Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I am super excited to bring you a game-changing product that will completely revolutionize your laptop experience. Introducing the new laptop LCD screen display assembly for Macbook Air Pro A2337 A2338 Retina 1313.3 2020 glass panel assembly replacement. This incredible display assembly is the perfect solution for those looking to upgrade or replace their current laptop screen. With the ability to be used directly without changing the chip, it offers a hassle-free installation process that will have you up and running in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about True Tone? Well, it's important to note that True Tone cannot be used after replacing the screen. However, the stunning clarity and visual performance of this display more than makes up for it. Before you place your order, it's crucial to ensure that you're purchasing the correct model. Double-check your laptop's model and screen size, and cross-reference it with the part number to avoid any compatibility issues. If you're unsure, don't worry, there are plenty of tutorials available online, and our customer service team is on standby to assist you every step of the way. And here's a pro tip: make sure to provide us with the EMC number or serial number in the message or note when placing your order. This will ensure that you receive the perfect fit for your laptop, without any hiccups along the way. Now, I want to emphasize that if the screen gets damaged during the installation process for personal reasons, we won't be able to compensate for it. But with the comprehensive tutorials and our expert support, I'm confident that you'll have a seamless and successful installation. So, if you're ready to take your laptop to the next level with the new laptop LCD screen display assembly for Macbook Air Pro A2337 A2338 Retina 1313.3 2020 glass panel assembly replacement, click the link in the description to make your purchase today. Elevate your visual experience and unlock the full potential of your laptop. You won't regret it. Happy shopping, and happy upgrading!